On a nest. In a tree. In the water. At the pool. On a plane. In the air. On a page. In a book. At a table. In a restaurant. In a queue. At the bus stop. In a boat. On the sea. On a bench. In the park. By the book. By hand. By 6 o'clock. By the light of the moon. By the lake. Side by side. By phone. By chance. Go by bus. Paint by numbers. By Da Vinci. By word of mouth. By magic. 2 by 2. Play by ear. You should know by now. A pair of glasses. A pair of ears. A pair of shoes. A pair of jeans. A pair of dumbbells. A pair of aces. A pair of flip-flops. A pair of briefs. A pair of shears. A pair of wings. A pair of headphones. A pair of lips. A pair of shorts. A pair of lovebirds. A pair of curtains. A pair of scissors. Salad. Selfie. Sink. Snow. Sun hat. Soap. Serious. Soup. Skirt. Snaps. Suit. Sandwich. 60. Sweater. Slow. Seaside.